Good morning! It's a Sunday today, so punta tayo sa church. Kasama ko si Lou later. Grabe, nagmadali ako. Late na ako nagising. Ganda ng clouds, oh.
Ganyan.
Ha? Alexa, stop! Hi! Bahay na tayo after ng church. I feel so energized. And alam niyo yung na-feel ko na parang, oh my God, this is what's missing. I felt longing for this kind of feeling while I was worshiping. Wala lang, nakakamiss lang. And then we met someone. We met Rita. Pero hindi kami nakapagpa-picture. Kasi wala na, nakipagtsikahan lang kami. And she welcomed us. It was very warm and napaka-accommodating. So hopefully we can see her again if we go to church sa next Sundays. So umuwi kami ni Lou ng early kasi kailangan ko maglaba. Wala na akong panty. Oh my gosh, naantok na ako. Tapos na ako maglaban ng konti. Isang panty lang nilaban ko kasi naglaba ako ng bedsheet and towels. And pag naglalaba ako ng bedsheet and towels, binababad ko ng 3 hours siya. So, nagsama lang ako ng isang panty. But anyway, naantok na ako. Yung kapatid ko, ang tagal niya i-submit yung ano niya, yung entry niya for our today's vlog. My God. Good morning! Nandito tayo sa bagong office. Nandito ako dun sa meeting room. Kasi tingnan mo yung itsura niya ngayon. So, hindi pa siya naaayos. Di ko alam saan ako magsisimula. Kasi may mga tinatapos pa rin ako. So, tapusin ko muna siguro yung mga dapat kong tapusin sa laptop ko. And then, after that, tsaka ako mag-start dito. Yan. Hindi ko alam paano gagawin. So, mga B, ito ang ating lunch. Gyudon from Yoshinoya. Ayun ako, be. Buti na lang. Naalala ko na meron akong sinave na kutsarita nung naglilipat kami. So, ito lang ang kakain ko. Kutsarita. Put the gyudon inside. Yes. So, ayan. Kain tayo ng gyudon from Yoshinoya. Kasi, ang liit ng kutsara ko. But, yummy yan. So, nandito ako ngayon sa conference room. Dahil wala akong upuan doon. Yan. So, dito muna tayo. May mga kailangan po tayong tapusin. hindi pa ako tapos sa mga ginagawa ko. Kaya, dala ko yung laptop ko. Pero ganun talaga ang buhay. Hindi tutuloy ang trabaho sa bahay. And, ayun. Ay, may chika ako. Alam niyo ba, itong landlord ko, sabi, may noise complaint daw. Pakita ko sa inyo yung noise complaint. Sabi niya, I have received noise complaints lately of screaming or shouting from one of the units, followed by very loud music in an attempt to mask the loud sounds. I understand this is almost a daily occurrence, which has raised concerns with the residents. The last disturbance recorded was apparently yesterday at 7:20 a.m. Before I go into any further details or investigations, can I check if you have experienced the same disturbance or if it could be from your unit? So, sabi ko lang, hold on, I'm checking what time I went to work yesterday. I was actually rushing so I did not notice. Like, what kind of noise? Fighting? Sabi kong ganon. Tapos sabi niya, no. More of pleasure and screaming and loud music as per the recordings. The volume was pretty loud so I can understand why the tenant was upset. Sabi ko, I left yesterday at around 8:10 a.m. I did not notice though, I cannot remember if I did play music. Tapos sabi niya, I just want to make sure it is addressed as it is not fair for anyone in the shared condo. Tapos sabi ko, I understand, I do play music, likely at night, but I'm not sure if loud enough to hear. Tapos sabi niya, it's more around making sure we are aware that sound travels far in our quiet neighborhood. Have you experienced anything like that recently? So parang sa akin, hindi naman talaga quiet yung neighborhood sa totoo lang. I mean, what do you mean by quiet? Peaceful? Ganon. Pero yung quiet, hindi. Naririnig mo yung tunog ng mga sasakyan. Kaya ako nga gusto dito eh. Kasi may sounds ng sasakyan. Alam mo yun, parang hindi ko feel na super duper tahimik. Yung nakakabinging tahimik. Ganon. So anyway, tas sabi niya pa sa akin, it's more, sabi niya, it's more so of a sexual nature of the screaming. Sabi niya, it was pretty obvious from what I hear from the recording. Tapos sabi ko, I do hear sounds or music through the toilet part some of the days, but it didn't really bother me. Sabi kong ganon. Sabi niya, yeah, the neighbors are complaining of possible vice activities, so I have to action that if I cannot find the actual unit. So, ewan ko kung ano action gagawin niya. Tapos sabi ko, don't worry, I don't have a boyfriend visiting, so probably not me, kung yung sexual screams yung sinasabi niya. Tapos sabi niya, I don't know, I have not had such a complaint in a long time, but you know, if it's a complaint from other units as well, I'll have to raise this concern. Sabi ko, I understand. Tapos sabi niya, we just have to be conscious that it's a quiet neighborhood, and sound can travel through walls easily. If you do experience the same, please alert me. Sabi ko, I'm not that observant, that's why I never really complained all these years. But if ever, we'll inform you. Tapos sabi niya, alright, thanks. Isip ko lang, ano ba yun? Pinagbibintangan niya ba ako na ako yung maingay? Sumisigal nung sexual screams. Kasi, baka ako nga. But anyway, ang creepy nung may nagre-record. Tsaka, let's say, if ever ako yun, I mean, it travels through the walls. Eh, hindi nga to, concrete yan, no? Tapos parang, saan marinig? Eh, alam mo ba, kapag nagpapatugtog ako dito sa loob, tapos, lalabas ako para mag-laundry, diba? Hindi ko naririnig yung pinapatugtog ko dito sa loob at all. So, alam mo yun? Paano yun? Parang parang super duper big deal na, maybe it's a sign na kailangan ko ng lumipat.